Welcome. If you want to activate split screen in your ALCATEL 3V, for the first you have to open the applications that you want to use. So I'm going for the Chrome and also from the Play Store. Right now we have to open the background apps with this button. Click and hold for the Play Store, for example, drag it right here. And right now we can select the second application from the background. So if you want to open the Chrome, just click on it. And right now, as you can see, we are in this split screen mode. We can work on the both applications at the same time. You can change the font size, I mean the size of the application with the switcher, and if you want to close it, just swipe like that. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!